welcome to your PD, and this is Shubhya. So this video is for all the ones who are preparing for PGCIL interviews. As you know, your interview dates are out and now it is the right time to strategize your interview questions too. First, I'm going to focus on the HR part, that HR plays a crucial role. Now, many of you have a doubt, ma'am, PSU में कितने % HR और कितना % technical है? See, it depends on the subjectivity. I tell you, from panel to panel it varies. Sometimes it is a complete HR, sometimes it is a complete technical, and sometimes it's a mixture of the both. And it varies it out in that constraint कि आपकी subjectivity on your answers too. Sometimes they are very much inclined in asking you outers. It just start with the generic questions and it ends on a generic level. But yes, you need to be prepared on all the grounds, be it HR, be it technical, or it is about your organization, which is being covered in the HR part only. Now in this video, I'm going to showcase you the most important HR questions which have been there in the previous years. It have been asked till now. So we always collect the feedback from the students, and based on the feedback of the students, these are the set of important questions that you need to practice it out. Now very first is HR जो होता है, it is about you, your personality, your background journey, the jobs experience if you have, and in case not about the job, your project circle, and not about the project, your internship program, your thesis program, and last but not the least, you have to read the website, you have to read about the organization. So that's a complete arena on which the HR actually focuses out. Now I'll be reading the question one by one with all of you. First, it is about to tell us brief about you, right? So it is about your introduction only. Your introduction needs to be in a good sequence. What are the crucial points that you need to mention in the introduction? Only mention those, right? Now don't mention about your family background, the unnecessary details. Please guys, stop mentioning the unnecessary details in your intro. It should be very much concise, precise and short. Then it is, what do you know about PGCIL? Obviously the background of the PSU, you have to read about it. Where is the headquarter of PGCIL, current CMD and his background. Why do you want to join PGCIL? Why you did not take the campus placement? Why PGCIL? Why a PSU and only PGCIL and not other PSUs? So all these questions, constraints do come over there. Can you serve anywhere in India? Yes, this is very important question. If they find you suitable, they ask you about the job relocation, about the food barriers, about the location barriers, in case you have any. So such are the questions which are being asked. What if you get PSU job in your own home state? Yes. So if you are getting on your own home state, why are you preferring us? Can you name some business domains of PGCIL? What do you understand by smart meters and smart grid? What do you understand by a Maharatna company? What will be the benefit of your MTech, or what will be benefit or how you will be an asset to our organization? What are the key skills which you have inherited so far? You have performed any leadership skill? Can you just tell us about any leadership role where you were at the instance of performing it out? So you have to tell about it. Your MTech project, why think you should be selected, or how can you be a asset to our organization? Tell some of your credentials which make you suitable for this job. Your strengths, actually you have to tell about it, and you have to prepare your weakness too. How can be your asset for our company? Under which ministry does PGCIL comes? About your hobbies, about your interest, about your personality strengths. What are you improving, or you can say what are you, where are you improving yourself? Now many a times they ask what have been your weakness, any of your regrets in life, and how did you try to overcome it out? Or if in case you face any challenge, how did you overcome it out? So these are certain traits, or you can say the questions. What is your contribution to nation so far? Now this is something I want to share with you. Many times students do come up and they start saying it out, ma'am, I want to join PGCIL because I want to contribute towards the nation. Now do you think that apart from PGCIL you cannot contribute? And if you really want to contribute, what you have done so far for the nation? Be very ready in such answers, right? So your arena of answer should be that where it should not look very fake also. It should be a stance. The choice of words need to be very much important. I tell you in this feedback only in this video that many times I do take the HR and I ask the students why you want to go for PSU, why you want to go for PGCIL, be it any PSU. Work-life balance, ma'am, pressure is there in private sector, PSU versus private is there. No, don't go for that. Privatization हो जाएगी मैम, निकाल दिया जाएगा. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स ये नहीं बनते हैं कि HRA मिलता है, medical allowances है. No, you cannot be saying such things. You have to talk about your passion. about your interest, about your key traits, about your core areas. तो उस पर फोकस करो, ये चीज़ें मत मेंशन करा करो. That's a big no in the interview. Then is about your biggest academic achievement. Gap है आपका, तो why there is a gap of 3 years and what were you doing in the gap? Justify it out. Why it took 4 years for you to reach up to the interview stage? Why being a fresher you should be selected and not a person who is coming from an experienced background? Where do you see yourself after some years, or how do you imagine the first day and last day if in this organization? What if you get good government job in your own home state? What motivated you to join PGCIL? How do you define yourself, or be it choose one word for you to define your personality? PGCIL की वेबसाइट पे जाओ, उसका मिशन विजन पढ़ो, मोटो पढ़ो उसके बारे में. हैव यू सीन आवर वेबसाइट? दे डू आस्क इट आउट बिकॉज दे डू आस्क. क्या कोई शॉर्टकमिंग लगी आपको हमारी वेबसाइट में? कोई इम्प्रूवमेंट्स आप सजेस्ट कर सकते हो? कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में बताओ जो आपने हमारे PGCIL के पढ़े हैं. तो ऑल दीज थिंग्स. व्हाट इज द पावर ग्रिड शेयर प्राइस दिस वीक? Which PSU is named as the most profitable and efficient one? Recently Power Grid was given award. Can you just tell about the award section? कौन सा award था? पावर मिनिस्टर के बारे में बताओ. व्हाट इफ यू डोंट गेट सेलेक्टेड इन PGCIL? तो आपका प्लान बी क्या है? डू यू वांट टू आस्क एनी क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम अस? आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है हमारे से? व्हाई डू यू वांट टू जॉइन अ PSU इंस्टेड ऑफ प्राइवेट सेक्टर? नाउ दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. PSU वर्सेस प्राइवेट, दे डू आस्क सच क्वेश्चन कि आपने कैंपस प्लेसमेंट क्यों नहीं ली, आपने कभी प्राइवेट की तरफ ट्राई क्यों नहीं किया, आपका 3 साल का गैप था, प्राइवेट से एक्सपोजर लेकर PSU में ज्वाइन कर सकते थे, आपने ऐसा क्यों नहीं किया? सो बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दोज आंसर्स टू. Tell us about your projects, BTech, MTech. What other PSUs do you have? Roughly how many transmission lines Power Grid has in India? About your T&D losses, which company in India makes smart meters? How many smart meters have been installed so far? And what do you understand by one nation, one grid, one frequency? Now, other than that, also, can you name the telecom venture of PGCIL? What is the need of PGCIL to enter in telecom industry में क्यों enter कर रहा है? Tell us about your job roles of previous job. Now see, if you say कि आप एक experienced background से आ रहे हो, तो don't forget about your roles and responsibilities, any of the challenge you have faced and you try to overcome it out. वहाँ पे कब आपने leadership role perform किए थे, आप वहाँ पे क्यों छोड़ना चाहते हो? तो all these questions, they are very important because it varies from person to person. If you have done the job, the roles and responsibility, the questions from related to that section will be asked. And any of the shortcoming you find in your previous job, don't say any negatives. It showcases your credibility towards one institute. Do remember that. Then it is about why not some other PSU as your gate rank is good. What about the gap after graduation? How many substations PGCIL has? About your weaknesses, overcome कैसे कर रहे हो? Difficult situation कोई life में face की है, overcome कैसे कर रहे हो? How will you handle undisciplined subordinate? Do you know that Power Grid is also in consultancy? Please tell us about it. Which domain would you like to work if you get selected? Transmission में, telecom में या consultancy में? If you don't get selected, what will be the reason for that? अगर आप पुरानी interviews में select नहीं हुए हो, suppose you mention it out, तो what can be the reason why you were not selected? What are the skills you think that you lack, that you are not able to that you are not able to cross the interviews? Then is how to overcome crisis in life. How will you communicate with local people if posted in Tamil Nadu? And you have to tell us about your internship. So these are the basic HR questions which are very important for you based on the past experiences of our students. Now go and prepare yourself. The complete documentation is there on the website. And if you don't find it out, please mention the comments, because then only I can help you out or I can just add the documentation in the comment section only, right? So keep on ticking it out. Just practice HR with us, and all the best. Keep preparing. I hope you clear it out this time. Take care and have a nice day.